Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. So here we have a pattern here. Understanding the outer loop for I in range 1 to 6. This loop returns from 1 to 5. Each time it runs, it controls how many will be printed in that row. For j in range 1 comma I plus 1, this loop runs from 1 to I, meaning the row numbers, and it print number from 1 to I, creating the increasing pattern. So print j comma and equal to double quotation marks. Normally print moves to a new line after printing, and print after inner loop finished. Move to the next line after printing one row, and loop value of I number print. So for iterations, I equal to 1 1, and second iteration I equal to 2 1 2, third iteration I equal to 3 1 2 3, and fourth iteration I equal to 4 1 2 3 4, and fifth iterations I equal to 5 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how you can create a pattern here, and this pattern will be a right angle triangle pattern. So which each row contains a number from 1 to the row numbers. So first I will type here outer loop for I in range 1 comma 6 and colon, and after that for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 colon, and after that I type here print j comma 1, and after that print parenthesis. So when I will click on the run code, so after that I got the pattern here. It is a right angle triangle pattern. So it's the iterations. So this is how we can create pattern. So the next question is for I in range 1 comma 6, for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 colon, and then type here print inside double quotation mark asterisk comma and equal to double quotation marks print parenthesis. So the example will be same, but I will type here double quotation marks asterisk instead of j. So let's go to Visual Studio Code and then type here this example. So I will just type here inside double quotation marks asterisk, and after that I will click on the run code. So I got the pattern here, which is right angle triangle pattern. So this is how for I in range the same method. This loop runs from 1 to 5. Each time it runs to control how many will be printed in the row. It determines row numbers, and for j in range 1 comma I plus 1, this loop returns this loop from 1 to I, meaning the row numbers, and it print numbers from 1 up to I, creating the increasing pattern the same, and it moves to the next line after printing each row, and loop value will be start. So this is how we can create loop here, and the outcome the result will be 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 and 5 5 5. So it is also a right angle triangle pattern, and which each row contain numbers from 1 to the row numbers. So let's go to the, so here I will type here for I in range 1 comma 6 colon, and then for j in range 1 comma I plus 1 colon, and then type here print I comma and equal equal and double quotation marks, and then type here print parenthesis. So after that I will click on the run code. Then I got the answers 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 and 5 5 5.